What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Friday, January 28th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What up, Low Roller? First, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Alright, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Much needed. Great day in the stock market today. All the major indexes, especially the NASDAQ and the S&P, I guess. Everything mooning today. I think crypto is up as well. I'm pretty sure it is. So, we've been doing Raministan, doing the show from Raministan a lot this past month. But, big day here today. Much needed. Alright, got you, Low Roller. So today's show should be pretty chill. Probably going to be about hour and a half, 2 hours. Can't go over 2 hours. I got to go at 6. But I don't think it should take too long. Got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And I do have some news today. A few articles here. 4 articles. One about Anthony Scaramucci and crypto, super PACs. One about LeBron James and his school, has to do with crypto. One about inflation, the Fed and inflation. And one about Jim Cramer. That's a fun one, because, we like to clown on Cramer. So, 4 articles today. 2 about crypto, and 2 regular articles. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over Robinhood and Apple. Those are trending top 10 on StockTwits today. Major price action on both of those. So, those were the biggest gainers by far, especially Apple. That's a big one. Robinhood, not too surprising because it's a meme stock, but yeah, big day for Apple. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And YOLO shouldn't take too long today either. A lot of memes still. I don't know what's up with Wall Street Bets. They're really into the memes these days. But, got a lot of memes from Wall Street Bets. And a good amount of lost corn. I think all lost corn after that. So, today's show should be pretty short and sweet. Short and simple. Shouldn't take too long. I got to go at 6, but it really shouldn't take that long. So let's do it, guys. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Biden live speech now. About what? Is there a specific thing he's going to talk about, or just general stuff? Like C-19 and inflation and all that good stuff. Well, whenever he talks, it's not good. The Triple J's, Joe Biden, Janet Yellen, Jay Powell, whenever they say anything, it's not good. Market goes down. So hopefully, aftermarket holds up here. Spammer's back. Yeah, thanks to Joe. You were on that quick. But it's not a Russian spammer this time. It's Booth Jessica. So, no more Russian spammers. We got American spammers now. Naked stock continues to go down. Yeah, that's at like one something now, right? Like almost 150. I checked last time. Yeah, really nasty there. Biden going after crypto? Yeah, we did cover that briefly, I think, earlier this week. I think he's going to sign an executive order and outlining how crypto is going to go from here on out. So, not exactly breaking news. We all kind of expected it, but now it's here for real. So, crypto regulation going to happen pretty soon here. Probably within the next few months. Oh, there's our Russian spammers. What up, Zach? Biden out there pumping the market. Is he really pumping the market? Well, we'll see how it goes in the aftermarket. But usually when he talks, it goes down. But regardless, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Are you ready for snowstorm? Yeah, it was supposed to start today. It's really not that bad. There's There's only a little bit of snow right now. It's supposed to be really bad tomorrow. I sure hope not. But yeah, bracing for the snowstorm here. What up, Munir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. All right, so people coming in here nice and early now. So appreciate everyone for joining me today. And let's get started. 2 spammers. Yeah, that one was a Russian person. The other one was American. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. How's my Rainbow Bears doing? Not a good day for the Rainbow Bears, right? Surviving though. Can't win them all. Okay. And boom. So let's see what's up here. Okay, starting with the indexes. So Dow Jones finishes up 1.65%, Nasdaq finishes up 3.22%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 2.43%. Huge day today. I think this is the best day of the year so far. This is a great day for the stock market. Major gains. And throughout the day, it just kept pumping higher and higher. So it really made a run here during power hour. So yeah, much needed. Hopefully it holds up. The VIX is down 9.51%, down 2.9 points. And that's at 27.6 now. So still not great. Still over 20, but hey, it's getting lower. That's a good thing. There's a bright spot. Not great, but better. Most people hold Dogecoin anniversary for 1 year today. Is that when Dogecoin started pumping? Yeah, it seems like that. Dogecoin started pumping really after the whole GameStop thing happened, I remember. So yeah, GameStop, that was the anniversary this week, 1 year anniversary. So around this time is also when Doge and crypto really started pumping, I remember. So I've been doing more bull credit spreads instead of put on high IV stocks. Other than capping my upside, is there any downside? Other than capping my upside, is there any other downside? No, not necessarily. It just provides more protection. Yeah, it caps your upside, but also has downside protection. Call credit spreads, got you. Yeah. I don't think so, dude. I'm not like super. I don't use that strategy too much, but pretty sure. No, that's the only downside. You cap your gains, and you also limit your loss. So it's just a more secure, safe version of your regular calls. And they're credit spreads, so you're collecting premium on those. Credit spreads I like better than debit spreads. So not 100% sure on that. I really should be, but no, I'm pretty sure that's it. You cap your upside, but you limit your downside as well. So it's just safer. But I'm pretty sure that's how it is, but I'll double check because I usually don't use credit spreads that much. But I'm pretty sure that's the correct answer. Limit your upside, but also limit your downside. Unless it goes like absolutely BitConnect. But yeah, credit spreads, debit spreads, good strategies. Way better than just doing straight up puts and calls because you get some protection there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the answer, Joe, but I'll double check for you just in case. I was holding Dogecoin in October 2020. I was earlier Dogecoin believer. Yeah, you got in real good, real cheap. Got more spammers here. All right, so let's check it out here. All right, so XELA is up 15.57%. You're welcome, Joe. Yeah, I'll get the definite 100% answer next time on Monday, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Limit upside, limit downside. I do have a video on my Patreon, but I'll link it in the Discord. I did a video on debit and credit spreads. So I'll after the show I'll link it in the Discord and you can check it out for free. I'm not gonna make you pay for it. Okay. All right. So what was that? XELA up 15.57%. Very nice. Biggest gainer on my watch list here. Congrats, Monir. Looks like that's going back up. Novavax 13.71%. Well, first of all, let's see how much is in the green here. So mostly in the green. A lot of green here, not too much red. So yeah, great day for the stock market. Novavax 13.71%. A lot of memes are up here. Bed Bath & Beyond 12.29%. Fubo 11%. Marathon, Bitcoin stock there, 11%. Wow, Visa went up a lot. Visa's up 10.6%. Wonder why. That's a big day for Visa. Got Robinhood 9.65%, which we will discuss first today. Riot, another crypto stock, 9.3%. MasterCard as well. Visa and MasterCard. What's up with Visa and MasterCard? MasterCard's up 9%, 9.12%. Big day there. Discovery A, which is like a low-key meme stock. That's HBO Max. Discovery, 7.57%. Snapchat, that's a meme stock, 7.5%. Moderna, also another meme stock, 7.3%. Got Apple, 7%. Huge day for Apple. We're going to discuss Apple second today. Peloton, another meme stock, 7%. Not convinced yet, though. DraftKings, another meme stock. I did see on Wall Street Bets, it's the anniversary of GME, and then the meme stocks are pumping again. So, very nice. I'm not sure if it's going to be for a day, or this is going to be Meme Mania around 3. But, hopefully, they keep pumping. The growth stocks keep pumping. DraftKings up 6.45%. MicroStrategy, another Bitcoin stock there, 6.1%. Oxygen is up 5.76%. That's above $3 again. Visa had good earnings. Yeah, I figure. So that probably MasterCard is trading in sympathy with that. And I think they released some news that their crypto card, people spent like $2.5 billion on the Visa crypto card. I didn't know people actually spent crypto. I thought they just held for the most part, but apparently people actually spend it. The person getting wrecked today buying put Robinhood. I don't know why you would buy it at this point. It's already so low, but yeah. Robinhood shorters, Rainbow Bear on Robinhood. Yeah, they're getting wrecked. But, Robinhood's getting wrecked long term overall. So one good day for Robinhood, but not convinced just yet. I did debit call spreads into Hood earnings. This morning they were worthless. By lunchtime I was green again and sold. It was wild. So you went bull. You went bull on Robinhood. Interesting. Wonder why. Good play though. But yeah, I think it started off in the red, and then it just came out of nowhere and started running all day. So, nice play there, Joe. Yeah, so if you went for the straight calls, you would have made more. But, you pay for the protection there, so can't complain. Congrats to you, Joe. Oh, that's another meme I gotta add. I thought about this yesterday. I think this is a good meme. I'm gonna add the Charlie Sheen meme when he's like winning, and every time you guys say a good, a good play that you made and you made money on the day, I'm gonna play it. It's gonna be winning. So don't know if you guys get the reference, but that was a while ago. But I'm gonna add that meme there. Charlie Sheen winning meme. Gotta remember that. You did Robinhood put YOLO yesterday on Wall Street. I don't even remember that, but RIP to them. All right. Yeah, a lot of these meme stocks are up. Tilray, Sundial, 5%. Viacom, 5%. Meme index is up 5% overall. So a pretty big day for the meme index. GME is up 4.7%. AT&T, pretty big day, 4.52%, although that did get wrecked a couple days ago. So nice recovery there. Block, Square, 4.5%, another meme stock. BlackBerry, big day there, 4.37%. Coinbase, 4.34%. Big day for Twitter, 4.23%. Nvidia, 4.1%. AMC, 3.72%. Wish, 3.6%. Palantir, 3.5%. DWAC, 3.5%. PayPal and Google, big days there, about 3.4%. Verizon, big day, 3.34%. Yeah, the NASDAQ tech definitely leading the way here. I mean, everything is up, but tech had a huge day today. Amazon, 3.11%, big day there. Alibaba, 3.1%. Got American Express, 3%. Microsoft, 2.8%, pretty good. MMAT, 2.76%. That's back up to 150 now. So, little recovery there. Clover, 2.67%. Got Facebook, 2.4%. Disney, 2.37%. Roku, another meme stock, 2.3%. Virgin Galactic, 2.26%. BBIG going back up, 2.1%. Tesla, 2.1%. Tesla was getting wrecked earlier. It's pretty wild. That went below 800. But, nice recovery there. Roblox, 2%. That's about it. So yeah, pretty much everything. Pretty much everything in the green here today. Growth stocks and value stocks, everything really high up today. Growth stocks were mooning, value stocks outperformed. So yeah, great day in the stock market, much needed after a month of raw Ministon. So tendies today. The person did one contract Robinhood put Wall Street bets in your video yesterday. So I guess he didn't lose that much. But I really don't even remember. I'll repeat it then though. I'll look at the StockTwits and MMAT. Rockets and MMAT stocks was later. You forgot about the slap that ask and the big bounce. The jugs. I don't know what the appropriate word is without getting flagged by YouTube. But the big bounce and the slap that ask, those memes too. When you see all that stuff, you know it's over. You know it's bad. But yeah, it's pretty funny. They do that. Any little run, rocket ships go into the moon, and then it goes down 50% again. Like legit MMAT is probably gonna have to reverse split soon. It's gonna go under $1 and it's gonna reverse split. And it's gonna be another Centro. Where speaking of, but it's gonna reverse split to like $5 and then go back down to 1. All right, so on the red side here, biggest loser is the VIX, 9.28%. That is great. And we got Centro down 7%. So that's down to 158 now. That's going below $1. Pretty nasty. And And then we got GM down 2.35%, SoFi down 2.3%. Looks like China not doing so well. Xpeng, Neo, Alibaba, Didi. No, Alibaba was up, my bad. Didi is down. But really not too much in the red here. By far the worst things are GM, SoFi, Centro. A few other things went down a little bit. Got Netflix here, but really not too bad at all. So for the most part, everything in the green today. And huge tendies. Much, much needed. Naked will do another stock split again. Yeah, once it goes under $1. And then it'll probably go under $1 again. I feel bad. But, hey, what you gonna do? Alright, so there's the stock market. Let's move on to crypto. Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. So crypto's up 5.57% today. Pretty big day here in crypto. All right, let's check it out. Let's check out the meme coins. So we got WeMix. I don't know what WeMix is, but that's up 17%. Then Shinji Inu. I think this one was also trending yesterday. But Shinji Inu's up 22%. Spooky Shiba, 18%. That one's been trending for a couple weeks now. And here we got Yam V2. The hell is this? I'm telling you, these stupid fruit coins are the new memes. Yesterday it was grape. It was grape, and now it's yam. So grape was up like 2,000% yesterday. Now it's yam. Yam is up 2,000% today. So this is the new iteration of the meme coins. First it was the dogs, and then it was the meta stuff, and now it's these stupid fruits, these fruit coins. So yeah, it was grape yesterday. Now it's yam. Next week, what's it gonna be? Apple, orange, banana, strawberry. I don't even know. Pretty ridiculous. This is Beagle Inu. So more dog coins, 650%. P-Mail. I don't know what that is. P-Mail, 300%. And what's this? Crypto Rocket Launch Plus? You gotta be kidding me. Crypto Rocket Launch Plus. Okay. Excuse me. That's up 180%. McDonald's coin. Like Grimace coin, that's not even McDonald's coin. That was that's definitely a rug pull waiting to happen. But okay, let's get on to the actual crypto now. Did this get fixed? Nope, it did not get fixed. Okay. So we got Bitcoin up 5.8%. That's pushing 38,000 again. Very nice. Big day for Ether. 8.6%. Above 2,500 again. Binance 7.7%. Big day there. Cardano 3.6%. Solana 7.2%. XRP 3.1%. So Terra is actually down. This is one of the big losers. Down 6%. Doge up 3.6%. Sheep up 2%. Crypto.com 9.3%. Big day there. Wow, DAI really climbed up here, huh? That's rising in popularity as a stablecoin. It's number 19 now. Impressive. And Terra USD too. These stablecoins are getting up there. Litecoin 5.5%. Bitcoin Cash 5%. FTX 8.3%. So Ecoma is down a little bit, but that's getting up there too. Marvin not here today, but he's big on that. Magic Internet Money, another stable coin. That's actually down a little bit there. Ether Classic 6.2%. For the most part, everything in the green though. Let's sort this out here. Yeah, so I would say like 90% of the coins in the green today. Not the most amount of price action. Only 4 coins here in the double digits. Flow, Celsius, Chainlink, and Polygon. And the biggest value coins are, yeah, Polygon, Chainlink, Crypto.com, and Ether. But yeah, big green day today. Growth and value coins, everything up today. Very nice. On the red side here, biggest loser is Terra, 6%. Yeah, so even on the red side, price action wasn't too bad. Terra down 6%, then Helium, 4.5%. And then we have Osmosis, Theta. And that's pretty much it. So pretty hard to lose money in crypto today, unless you're Rainbow Bear. So yeah, everything up today. Stock market mooning, crypto mooning, everything printing tendies today. Very nice. Oh, I forgot low rollers. Alright, so let's move on to the news now. Bill introduced to make Bitcoin a legal tender in Arizona. That's pretty cool. Senator Wendy Rogers introduced a bill to make Bitcoin a lawful currency. That's pretty cool. So, I'm not sure if it's going to go through, but there's a start. There's a start, you know? Arizona leading the way. So it's probably going to be, you know, states are going to start to legalize one by one, and eventually it's going to get legalized federally. And then they're going to make a, you know, US dollar, US crypto, because government doesn't like crypto. They rather you use their money. You can pay debts, public charges, taxes, and dues with Bitcoin. Nice. This is pretty big. This is pretty bullish. So I didn't hear about this, but this is pretty big. So, yeah, like I said, I don't know if it's going to go through, but it's a great start and very bullish on crypto there. So thanks for that, little roller. All right, and staying on crypto, I got a few articles here. Okay, so I got an article here about Anthony Scaramucci, LeBron James, the Fed, and Kramer. So let's do it. Scaramucci backed. So this is Anthony Scaramucci. He used to work for Trump for like a day, and then now he's I don't know what he does now. And then he went on TV for a little bit, and now I think he's just doing some private sector stuff. But yeah, Anthony Scaramucci backed GMI PAC will support crypto-friendly candidates this November. The crypto industry is gaining a political ally in the United States. A new crypto political action committee dubbed GMI PAC was announced today. The Super PAC seeks to fund campaigns in the midterm elections this November in the tune of $20 million. One of its key ambitions is to keep blockchain innovation in America. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, but you know, a Super PAC is how you donate tons of money to candidates. So this would be a first. Crypto Super PAC. So this guy's not too likable, but this is big news, kind of like the Arizona thing. Um, this is the first of its kind, crypto super PAC. So I'm not sure how popular this is going to be or how it's going to work, but this is definitely leading the way, opening a lot of doors up for very bullish on crypto, and there's going to be more fundraising in crypto to come, political or not. So I thought this was pretty big news. Thought I should share with you guys. All right, moving on here. LeBron James's I Promise program partners with Crypto.com to bring crypto to the classroom. So LeBron James has announced a new partnership with Crypto.com via a program that will enable students to learn about cryptocurrency. So I'm not going to read the whole thing there, but it's also pretty big. LeBron does a lot of charitable work. I think he has his own school in Ohio, in Akron, I think. And, he's also a businessman. He's probably going to be a billionaire after he retires from the NBA. Going to be another Jordan, another Magic Johnson. They are good businessmen. So, this is really bullish too. Pretty big news. Teaching the youth about crypto and the possibilities of crypto. All the students will buy Dogecoin and cheap. Well, they can if they want to. I don't think that's the greatest idea. They should probably teach the students chill on the meme coins, but I can definitely see that. But it's not just buying. It's not just buying crypto. I think they're teaching them how to make crypto as well. How to code crypto and stuff. So LeBron gets a lot of hate, but he's a good guy, helping the kids out and educating them, and now helping them be financially savvy. So like, this stuff isn't even taught in college and to the general public. So starting the kids young on crypto, good idea. Good for LeBron. All right, let's move on to some general news here. So this is about inflation. Key Fed inflation gauge raises 4.9% from a year ago, fastest gaining since 1983. Key points. The Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, a closely watched inflation gauge at the Federal Reserve, rose 4.9% from a year ago in December. That was the fastest gaining since September 1983 and a touch above the Wall Street estimate. Employment costs increased 4% from a year ago, the fastest in the 20-year data history, through the quarterly rise of 1% was less than expected. Though the quarterly rise of 1% was less than expected. So, I think it's going down, actually, inflation. I think the raising the rates is working so far, because I think in November it was like 7%, right? So now it's at 4.9%. But still about a 30-year high here. So yeah, inflation's still a problem. Still pretty out of control, but it is slowly going down. But yeah, just an update on inflation. Everything is crazy right now. Everything costs too much money. So hopefully they get that under control. I mean, they're working on it. They said they're going to raise rates again in March. But yeah, we're getting data here. Fastest gaining inflation since 1983. LeBron James wouldn't never be Michael Jordan. He'd choke last shot. I guess that's debatable. I guess he's not as clutch as Jordan, but when it's all said and done, like LeBron's stats are pretty high up there. I think his stats are going to be better than Jordan's. I don't know if he's going to win. He has 4 chips. Jordan has 6. So LeBron probably will win at least one more, I'm assuming. But yeah, I guess in terms of clutch, Jordan, there's not going to be anyone like him. But LeBron being better than Jordan is a legitimate argument right now. I think stat-wise, he's going to blow Jordan out of the water. But championship-wise, I don't know. Jordan might still have that. Look, Japan have no inflation. The price will never go up. I wish USA followed Japan with no inflation. I'm not too sure with how that is with Forex and stuff. I wonder why Japan has no inflation. I mean, because they're not printing money. But I wonder what policies they have in place to keep that under control there. I mean, China has no inflation either, but, they manipulate their currency to peg it to the dollar. But interesting. I wonder why that is. Why Japan has no inflation. I gotta check out their Fed policy, their monetary policy. All right, last article here. This is a little bit of a fun one. Kramer says market needs a total give up to find a bottom and signal an all clear to buyers. The stock market needs to get worse before it can get better, CNBC's Jim Cramer said Friday. I'm looking for a day where people just say, I give up, the Mad Money host said. You don't want no hope and no help from any of the companies, but the sellers need to exhaust themselves, he added. Here a siren coming, my bad guys, gonna talk over it. So, yeah, this one's kind of I wanted to share because this one's a fun one. If Jim Cramer says the bottom is still not here, maybe it already bottomed out, inverse Jim Cramer, right?
We like to stop.
So if Jim Cramer says it's not over yet, it might be over, might be a good time to buy. Not financial advice. Definitely not financial advice, but inverse Cramer, right? And we do have a lot of Cramer memes coming up here during the Yolos, so stay tuned for that. Everyone clowning on Cramer right now. Cramer and Kathy Wood, they're getting it pretty hard. But yeah, guys, that's all the news for today. And let's get on to the Yolos. I mean, not the Yolos. The TA now. What time is it? 4:40. So doing pretty good on time here. So once again today for the TA, we're going to do Apple and we're going to do Robinhood and then Apple. So this shouldn't take too long. Pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. All right, gonna take a drink and we'll get started here. Okay, here is HOOD, Robinhood Markets. This finishes at $12.73 today. That is up 9.65%. Royal Rumble is tomorrow at Peacock. I don't even really watch wrestling like that. And I don't have Peacock, so I don't think I'm going to watch that, but that's pretty cool. So we haven't talked about Robinhood in a while here, ever since this IPO'd, squeezed, and has since been bleeding, all the way down to $10 at the low. But today, this did make top 10 on StockTwits, so we will analyze it. And there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. We did have some earnings and price adjustments, so let's check it out. So EPS was negative 49 cents, which missed the estimate of negative 45 cents. And revenue was 363 million, which beat the estimate of 362 million. So they missed on EPS and just barely beat on revenue. So, not the greatest earnings. That appears to be slightly bearish. And then we have some price adjustments here. JP Morgan lowers to $45. Deutsche Bank lowers to $12. Rosenblatt lowers to $15. Barclays lowers to $12. Piper Sandler lowers to $13. Goldman Sachs lowers to $15. KeyBank lowers to $15. So yeah, not impressive. Earnings were not that impressive, but it appears like, although the hedge funds did lower their price targets, a lot of them do have buy ratings. So it appears like hedge funds are jumping in here, apes are jumping in here, buying the stock up, and that is why it's up 9.65% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this does look like a possible cup and handle right now. Bottom of the cup appears to be $10, the all-time low. And the top of the cup, and there could be multiple possible tops here. It could be $15, $17.20, or $19. Actually, $19, $24, $29, $36, $38, $42, or $47. So potentially a huge cup and handle here. I don't think it's going to run up that high, but it's possible. So no matter where the top of the cup is, those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us the stock should run back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. That's all I really see here. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1335 and 1155. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1335. Oh, my bad. I missed one. Rewind. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1335 and 1235. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1335, 15, 16, 1720, 19, 2185, 2385, 2670, 2890, 3030, 3295, 3455, 3595, 38, 40, 42.20, 44.05, 45.45, 46.85, and then 48.50. There is support, there is resistance above 48.50, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 12.35, 11.55, and then the all-time low of 9.95. No support below 9.95. So right now at this current price, 12.73, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 17.20, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 17.20. RSI is currently at 31, so no longer in oversold, undervalued territory, but still pretty much there. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And this did 69 million, nice, in volume today. Significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. Fundamentally, I really don't like this stock, but based on the TA here, based on the chart, we are getting a lot of bullish indicators. Again, possible cup and handle and low RSI. And this was at the all-time low just yesterday. Actually, today. And this was at the all-time low earlier today at $10. So I do think this is a pretty good buy in the short and long terms. No bearish indicators, no neutral indicators. Not too much more downside potential, a lot of upside potential. So this looks like a pretty clear buy to me. So I would support going long at 12.73. And if it pulls back below 12.73, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But it really shouldn't go too much lower. This is getting pretty ridiculous how low this is selling, how much this is selling off here. So hopefully $10 was the bottom. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You already missed your chance. Should have went short. In the 80s, 50s, 40s, 30s, even the 20s. But here at 12.73, this is just way too low of a price for going short. Again, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. A lot of bullish indicators, not too many bearish indicators, and no bearish indicators. And this was at the all-time low earlier today. So, really no reason to go short here. Going short here would be a high-risk, low-reward play. Not too many tendies to be made, and you'd be exposing yourself to a lot of upside risk. So I don't think that's very smart. I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Please don't short this, guys. So yeah, pretty straightforward here. Looks like a pretty good buy in the short and long terms, and really no reason to short this. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is HOOD, Robinhood Markets. Did I told you Dr. Phil talking about cryptocurrency in your show yesterday? No, you didn't tell me that. Dr. Phil is talking about crypto? Oh, God. Why? Why? This is how you know it's going off the rails. You see these celebrity influencers, everyone's talking about crypto. I think he's getting a cut. Is he promoting some meme coin, some stupid meme coin? I mean, Dr. Phil doesn't really sell stuff, but Dr. Oz does. I'm surprised Dr. Oz didn't do it yet, but he's running for Congress. I didn't know that though. That's pretty nuts, Dr. Phil. All right, on to Apple and then on to the Yolos. So we might actually finish in an hour and a half here today. Because it looks like not too many people in here right now. That's all right. So here is AAPL Apple. This finishes at $170 today. That is up 7%. Why is he talking about crypto, though? Is he saying it's a good investment or what? Or it's a bad investment? That's just really weird to me. So we haven't talked about Apple in a long time here. But this was trending top 10 on StockTwits. This was a major runner today. So we will analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. We did have earnings and some price upgrades. So let's check it out. I don't even know what the hold on here. Does it say what the earnings were? It's not even posted here. Can't even go back that far. Oh, here we go. Okay, so EPS was $2.10, which beat the estimate of $1.89. And revenue was I don't even know what the revenue was. Okay. Revenue was $124 billion, and I'm not really sure what the estimate was, but it says here that it beat the estimate. So very strong earnings. Earnings beat there. And in addition to that, we do have some price upgrades here. Barclays upgrades to $169. UBS upgrades to $185. Raymond James upgrades to $190. Morgan Stanley upgrades to $210. Deutsche Bank upgrades to $210. D.A. Davidson upgrades to $185. Goldman Sachs upgrades to $161. Monis, Crespi, and Hart upgrades to $199. Jeffries and Co. upgrades to $200. Cohen upgrades to $200. Baird upgrades to $190. New Street Research upgrades to $165. Did I say Deutsche already? Yeah. Oppenheimer upgrades to $190. UBS upgrades to $185. Not sure if I said that. So yeah, great earnings, and Wall Street loved it. Bunch of hedge funds jumping in here and buying the stock up. So that is why the stock is up 7% today. Huge day for Apple. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a possible cup and handle. in the making. Top of the cup could be 177 or the all-time high of 183. So it doesn't really matter which one is the top. Those are both bullish indicators. One second, guys. Here comes the ambulance. First one of the day. So did pretty good here. But one second, I'm going to mute. My apologies. Alright, I think we're good now. My bad, guys. I don't know why. Such a long siren. Anyway, moving on here. So it doesn't really matter which one is the top, because those are both bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 177 or 183 eventually to complete the cup there. And this does appear to be a bull flag in the making here. No confirmation just yet. But if this is in fact a bull flag, that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock wants to break out to the upside. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 171 and 160. Actually. So right now this is sitting on the support of 170, which you finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 177, 178, 179, 181, and then the high of 183. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 168, 166, 164, 163, 162, 161, 160, 159, 158, 157, 155, 154, 152, 151, and then 150. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward there. Most of the supports and resistance move in increments of $1. And there is support below 150, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 170. The channels to the upside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action if this continues to run to the upside. However, to the downside, from 169 down to 164, the channels are pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action from 169 to 164. If/when it goes below 164, then it goes back to normal price action. RSI is currently at 53. So a little bit above average there, but according to the RSI, this current price of 174 is around fair market value. And this did 179 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. I think this one is pretty straightforward. This is Apple, blue chip stock, great value stock. We do have two bullish indicators here, no bearish indicators, and the neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, this looks slightly bullish to bullish in the short and long terms here. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You missed a huge run today, 7%. That being said, this current price of 170 is still a really good entry. Again, possible cup and handle, possible bull flag, and all the hedge funds think it's worth more than 170. So, not exactly the greatest entry, but still a pretty good entry. So I would support going long at 170 and lower. If it pulls back below 170, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And if for whatever reason this does come back down to 157, which I really don't expect it to, but it might, I think that'd be a really excellent entry. So if you can get this for 157, that'd be a steal. But not really expecting it to go back down there. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this is Apple. Great value stock. Apes love it. Institutions love it. A few bullish indicators here. No bearish indicators. Good amount of upside potential, and not too much downside potential. So I just don't really see a point in going short here. You'd be bidding against literally the whole market. And the TA does not look good on the short side. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, low reward play. You're probably going to end up getting burned if you go short here. I don't think it's a great idea to short a blue chip value stock like this that everyone likes. And the graph says it's not great either. So I don't think going short here is a smart idea. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Please don't short this one, guys. You'd be asking for trouble here. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AAPL Apple. Alright, guys. So I don't think too many people are still here, but that's the TA for today. And let's get on to the Yolos. So we're making some really good time here. Only been an hour and 10 minutes. So yeah, we might finish our 20 minutes in. Hour 30 minutes in. Might finish at 5:30. So, give me a second here. Let me pull up the Yolos. Alright, it says 2 people in here. So, don't know who's in here, but appreciate you guys for sticking around. And show's almost over, so let's end on a high note here with the Yolos. Alright, Peasy is still here. I don't think you were here before, Peasy. You didn't say anything in the beginning. So, glad you can make the show, dude. Appreciate you. Don't know how long you've been in here, but awesome, dude. Appreciate you. You're a real one. Alright, so gonna let this finish loading, and we'll get started here. Come on. And Joe Franco is here too. So appreciate you, Joe. Thanks for coming by again today. Yeah, and I don't know if you got disconnected yesterday because, YouTube was giving me problems. So I don't know if you stuck around while I was having technical difficulties, but I did see TKLF was getting wrecked yesterday. Don't know how it did today, though. Oh, it went up a lot. Wow. TKLF went flying today, and in after hours, wonder if it can pull a GME. Wow, it is going up in the after hours. Interesting. So, this may be the bottom, hopefully. You know, like 240-ish. I'm not convinced just yet. But, you know, maybe this found the bottom at around 240 or 250. But yeah, huge day today. Huge, huge day. But I will just say, the high was 372. So if this continues into Monday, if this opens above 372, it's going to form a gap up, and it's probably coming back down to 372 to fill the gap before it goes back up again. But right now, this looks like a bull flag in the aftermarket here. So that's a bullish indicator. It looks like it wants to break out. But, you know, watch on Monday, see where it opens at. If it opens above 372, it's probably coming back down to 372, at least. But, yeah, I think you're in TKLF. So, congrats to you, Joe. I was late to the party today. No problem, dude. Just glad you can make it. Appreciate you. And please smash the like button, guys. All right. So today, once again, we have a lot of memes here. Wall Street Bets, I don't know what's up with them. They've been on the meme game. So we got a good amount of memes. And we got some Lost Corn. But this shouldn't take too long. Should be pretty fun, so let's do it, guys. This first one is by Orange Milk. Apple is wild. So here we got a meme. The entire stock market, Apple. So I don't know if you guys get this, but this is a reference to Atlas. You know, Atlas holding the world up. So yeah, Apple holding up the entire stock market today. Actually, it was like that in the beginning, but everything else came around. So I guess this meme isn't too relevant anymore, but in the beginning of the day, yeah, Apple was holding everything up. And a different version of that one. This one is by Dubskin number 9. Dabskin number 9. Atlas / Hercules of Wall Street. So essentially the same concept. You got Atlas holding up the world. But here we see Omicron, J. Powell, inflation, market crashing, taking profits. And here's your Atlas. Got this random guy holding up this fat chick on his shoulders. So here's the entire stock market, the fat chick, and here's Atlas. This poor guy over here. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, this one is by Illustrious Tap 9338. Kramer says ARK will sink. Is this a buy signal? So more clowning on Kramer here. I don't know why everyone hates Jim Cramer so much lately, but more clowning on Kramer. So if you know everyone says inverse Kramer, tends to work. So if Kramer says ARK is going down, maybe we should buy ARK. Not financial advice. Definitely not financial advice. But you know, Kramer is the would he be the bearish indicator or the bullish indicator? I don't even know. But yeah, if he says ARK is going down, good chance it goes up. Not saying you should buy it, but we'll see what happens here.
We like to stop.
So good stuff. Inverse Kramer. More Kramer memes by Joey Galingle. Galingle. So blank is a hell of a drug. Fill in the blanks. So I literally picked this one out because I just added this meme. This is a perfect time to use the meme.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
So that's from the Dave Chappelle show. That's Rick James there. I don't know if you guys saw that, but pretty famous meme there, or pretty famous skit. That meme may not stay around forever because YouTube might flag me for that. But we'll have fun with it. And if they decide to flag me, I'll get rid of it. But yeah, it is a hell of a drug. And I'm pretty convinced back in the day, Kramer did a lot of it. We'll just call it white. Kramer did a lot of white because this guy is nuts. Either he did a lot of white and it permanently messed his brain up, or he just has ADHD and doesn't take his meds or something. But yeah, it is a hell of a drug, and I'm convinced he's on it or was on it. So I just literally pulled this meme out because I had to, or this post out because I had to use that meme. I had to. Too good. All right, got your low roller. So more Kramer clowning. This is by International Band 72. Hood will take you back to the hood. So a tweet from Jim Kramer. Glad we pushed Robinhood last night. So many told me I was dead wrong. Now who wrong? So, Twitter, Kramer's always complaining about Twitter. How everyone's always clowning him. And how he's getting disrespected and everything. And recently he's talking about how everyone just inverses him. And he's pretty mad about that. But he did say Robinhood was going up. I think he said it was going up. Yeah, he pushed Robinhood, so he's actually right today. Robinhood did go up. So now he's like sticking it to everyone. See who's wrong, Robinhood. But you know what? That may be a bearish indicator. Kramer said it's going up, so maybe it got one good day here, but I don't know. It may reverse. And I just said buy too. But, you know, time will tell if he's wrong or right. But he got this one right. Kramer got this one right. All right, on to the Yolos now. On to the Lost Corn. So this one is by Scoo Diddy. Game stopped. Here's some Lost Corn. So, Kramer said to buy Bear Stearns. How's Bear Stearns doing? I don't even know what the ticker is. Was he wrong or right? I know that's a bank, so can't go too wrong there. But Kramer said to buy a lot of stuff. He said buy Netflix too, and see how that went. So he gets a lot of hate for his calls because a lot of the time he's wrong. But I'm not sure how Bear Stearns is doing. I don't even know what the ticker is. But let me know if he's wrong or right on that one so far. So here we see in the past year, this guy is down $639,000. So it doesn't say how he lost his money, but I'm assuming it's FD YOLO options. There's no way this is anything else. He lost most of it in the span of a couple days here, it looks like. Just straight. And just some slow bleeding there on out. So, yeah, this is down 100%. Pretty much. So it takes a special type of ape to do this. Maybe he went all in on GameStop. I don't know. But this is ridiculous. So, some great Lost Corn here. Nothing much else to say. This guy belongs here. So, yeah, Scoo Diddy, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude, but great content. Very entertaining. And I hope you're okay. You know, I hope you can afford to lose this money. Doesn't really seem like it, though. And I don't really feel too bad because this is pretty stupid. But, you know, great content. Thanks for posting. And I hope you're okay. Good luck to you in the future. All right, so he said he had GME contracts, $30 strike. So, what, he went all in GME? He's not really specifying here. All right, so actually, he says Robinhood is wrong. He says he's actually down 1.2 million. He says it's not counting another 360,000 here. So he's losing another 360,000 in addition to his 640K here. So, yeah, in total, he's actually down 1.2 million. Wow. So, lesson learned, guys. Chill with the meme stocks, chill with the FD Yolos, and don't go all in. How about that? Oh, so I guess it wasn't just GME. It was also Tilray and BlackBerry. All right, this one is by Best Bag Holder. GME buying 100 shares a week or 100 a day if this keeps on dropping. We're not going anywhere, lads. If not for deep effing value. Legend. Let's do this for Irish Dude. Who's Irish Dude? Sounds familiar. Well, yeah, here we have 2,115 shares for GME. Net liquid, about $200,000. But I think right now he's down $83,000. That's what it says here. So I think he bought for 122, and then it went down to 94, and he averaged down. So, this one is also a bit ridiculous. That's a lot of money to be putting on GME. But, you know, apes believe in this one. Not really sure why, still. But you know what? At least it's stock and not options. So it's relatively okay, I guess. I'm not going to say safe, but relatively okay. I guess 100 is an acceptable price. You had some apes buying at 200, 300, so I guess this is an acceptable price. So yeah, he's in for almost 300K, down 83K, and he's going to keep averaging down. So, pretty insane to me, but you know, this is Wall Street Bets we're talking about. These are apes. They still love GME. So we'll see how this goes. I hope it works out, but this is a little bit too ridiculous for me. I don't know. Hope it works out. Wishing him luck, but I don't know. So, Best Bag Holder, thanks for posting. You're insane, dude, but, you know, super ape. Great content regardless. And sorry for your loss so far, but rooting for you. Good luck. And please post updates. All right, some more lost coin here. I like Corgi Butt. What a year, lost it all. So yeah, here we see he's down $70,000 in the past year. That's 100%.
And it's gone.
So I guess same thing as the first guy. There's only one way this could have happened, and that's FD Yolos. It says here SPY calls expiring. So I'm not sure what he bought, what calls he bought, but seems like they all went really, really bad. Lost it all pretty fast. And hasn't traded in a whole year. It looks like he lost everything in the span of like a couple of days here. Or a month or something. So nothing really else to say here. Pretty disgusting, but don't feel too bad. Totally his own fault. And at this point, you know, I hope this guy learned his lesson. And I hope you guys learn your lesson as well. Chill with the FD Yolos. Chill with the memes. Because this is typically what happens. So I like Corgi Butt. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Hope you learned your lesson. Hope this wasn't too bad. Hope you're okay. And good luck to you in the future. He says, weed/biotech stocks. You guys know I hate biotech. And the cannabis hasn't been doing too well either. And Palantir options. That's not doing great. Alright, this one is by Backstays. Skills lost 36K in 1 year. Bought 1K shares at 40, now at 423. DCA here, dollar cost average here and there, but lost a ton. Alright, so this is pretty impressive. Because he's down like, what, 90%? Pretty much, yeah. He's down like 90% on shares. What the actual hell? So Skills is a meme stock. Kathy Wood likes it. You know, clown on her. I think it's one of the ARK funds. So he went pretty hard here on Skills. $40, that was pretty high. I think that was like the all-time high. That was pretty much the high. Yeah, 46 was the high. So buy high, sell low, right? That's the motto. So he bought the high and he's still holding to the low and down 90% on shares. This is pretty insane. So obviously terrible play here. But you know what? At least it's shares, not options. It's not worth much anymore. And I'm not sure if it's ever going to go back up there. Hopefully it does. But, yeah, you would think these are FD Yolos, but they're not. They're shares on meme stocks. So pretty impressive to lose all this money on shares here. That's what happens when you play meme stocks. So, Backstays, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But, you know, that's what happens when you buy at the high. You buy the high on meme stock. And on the bright side, you know, at least they're shares. There's a chance you make it back. Maybe a while, though. But, yeah, sorry for your loss, dude. Thanks for posting. And good luck to you. Alright, this one is by Dimitri ES. Robin Fu. Robin FU. Well, here's a play on Robinhood. Wow, look at that. It went off a cliff. F for this guy. So we have 1,600 shares here. Average cost, $43. This was a 70K YOLO, and right now he's down 52K, 75%. So another case of buy high, sell low. That's the motto. Even as a tag here, bought hood at 50. So, yeah, he bought pretty high, you know, 43. And, yep, and he held all the way down to 10. So, same thing as the last guy. This really sucks, but that's what happens when you buy high on meme stocks. And at least they're shares, so you have a chance of making your money back. Maybe a while, though. Maybe better just to cut and take the tax loss, but yeah, not much to say here. Buy high, sell low on meme stocks is what happens. So Dimitri ES, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Hope you're okay. And, you know, hope you make your money back. Good luck to you. All right, last one. Well, we got a few by Low Roller here. So last one on mine. Seems like Low Roller has a bunch here. This is by Allen's Gate 1. Allen Gates 1. 5,312 Robinhood shares. I invested 100,000 in December 2021. I'm down $47,000, 47%. All right, so yeah, he said it himself. 100K YOLO, and right now he's down 47K.
And it's gone.
So his average cost is 19, which is actually not that bad. But now it's like around 10. So yeah, that sounds about right. About 50% down. So this one isn't as bad as the last guy. I mean, he invested, this is a bigger YOLO, but, you know, way better price. Got it for half the price of the other guy. So you only need this to go up 100% to break even, which it should, eventually. This one's not as bad as the other guy. That one may be waiting a while. This guy, I don't know when it's coming back up to 19, but, all you need is a meme mania, and you're back in there. So this one, I would just hold for the long term. You should be able to get your money back. Good chance you do. So, at least they're not FD Yolos. And the play itself, I don't even think it's that bad. Like, the average price, $19, is really not that terrible. Unfortunately, it has been going down. But yeah, this one is not that bad. As long as he holds, he should make his money back. So it still hurts a lot, but he'll be alright. So Alan Gates, thanks for posting. Alan Gates 1, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. But like I said, if you hold, you should be alright. So I hope you get your money back, and good luck to you. Alright, now we got some other stuff here from Low Roller. By Django 19. Ford calls to oblivion. Guess I'm part of the club now. Wow. Alright, so he looked like he went pretty hard on the Ford calls here. He's down 127K. 94% in the past month. Yep, welcome to the club. Should have went long on Ford last year. Way too late now. And he got wrecked. So, and these look like FDs, not just any calls. These are like FD calls. So, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Great lost corn here. I love Friday. Friday is the day for lost corn. Oh, what happened? This one got taken down. That was fast. I wanted to see the lost corn. That'll make you hard. Alright, by my Iron Lung 6, $500 to 16K. Calls and puts on Netflix XPY. Alright, so this is not typical, guys. This is some gain corn. And don't expect results like this. But he got lucky 2 times on Netflix and SPY. So yeah, up 15,000 bucks, almost 16,000 bucks. 2,837% in the past week. So, not exactly the most impressive money-wise, but percentage-wise, this is that's pretty good. Almost 3,000% in a week. Not many people can do that. But let's be real, this is mostly luck. So my Iron Lung 6, thanks for posting. Congrats on your gains, and some advice. Chill out, dude. Chill with the FD YOLOs. There's a good chance you give it all back. So just secure the gains, be happy. Put it in something safer, I would say. Alright, what's this? By Piehole 2020. Waiting. Alright, so this guy's, it's kind of similar to my play. Dogecoin averaged 25 cents. Mine is like 24 cents. He has more than me. But, yeah, no diversity. So, all in Dogecoin, down 28K. 44%. But you know what? Just hodl. Just hodl diamond hands, and you should be able to make your money back. Hopefully soon.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Alright, Ark versus Sark. Alright, here's a meme here. So Ark gang, they're getting wrecked. Pump it, pal. Get it on the ground floor. It can't go lower. Mistakes I've made as an investor. Here's the clown. Portfolio is Tesla, Neo, Ark, TQQQ, SoFi, Roku, Palantir, AMC, Tilray, Wish. Yeah, a bunch of meme stocks. Sark gang. Clowning on Cathie Wood. Those stocks are trading at absurd valuation. There's the Chad. Giga Chad. Cathie Wood is basically a loose cannon. Yeah, so clowns here, Chad's here on this side. Sark gang. So far, at least, Ark has been not doing so good. It says Robinhood will likely wait for outcome of SEC versus Ripple before listing Shiba Inu. I think I saw something. Robinhood said they have no plans on listing SHIB anytime soon. So they actually issued a statement. So it does look like Ripple might actually win the lawsuit. But I did see something Robinhood said they're not listing SHIB. They're not going to list it anytime soon. So, you know, put those rumors to rest there. All right, then I guess we have one more video here. I don't know what this is. Let me pull it up here. If it's too long, we're not going to, you know, watch the whole thing. But let me just see what this is.
Hi everybody, this is an update on my
37 seconds. That's cool. We'll watch it.
portfolio. Right now my portfolio is at $4,836.29.
What the hell? Wasn't he at 150K last year? Now he's at 5,000? Wow.
My options plays, I have a Boeing 140-150 call debit spread, Alibaba 160-170 call debit spread, Alibaba 130-140 call debit spread, and Bumble $20-$25 call debit spread. These all expired January 2024, so I've got a long time to go on those. As for stocks, I've got AGEN and ARLO. That's it for my portfolio. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Well, I shouldn't really be laughing. I feel kind of bad. But yeah, he lost a lot of money on those Alibaba options there. So poor guy, poor guy. You know, go take a job at Wendy's, make it back. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. So we went an hour 40 minutes here. So yeah, today short and simple show. You know, only had 2 things to analyze, some pretty decent news, and some okay Yolos. So thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Thank you guys. Thank you to all the regulars who came in today. Appreciate you guys. Thank you everyone who came in the beginning, and to everyone who stayed till the end, and people who popped in the end here. Appreciate everyone. So that's all I got for today. If no one has anything else, questions, comments, concerns, graphs you want me to look at, put them in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. At least the guy working, then Kroger guy. Well, the Kroger guy is working. He just complains about everything. So yeah, you know, that guy lost 150K, and he doesn't really seem to care too much. So respect to him. You know, taking it like a champ. I don't know why he's still playing these options, though. You know, he should just chill out. All right, going once. Going twice. All right, I think that's it. So let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.